Ardx stock has gained over 220% since the last 1 year to join its peers in this billion-dollar club. You can see this is its peers, and it is actually the best performer over the last 1 year, followed by SRK. And one thing else is that when the market is up, it tends to also outperform the S&P 500 on days when the market is up. Ardx shares tend to outperform the S&P 500. However, on days when the market is down, the shares generally decrease by more than the index. So yes, and we know that the broader market, the S&P 500, has been rallying since late October. That was the last time we covered Ardx, and since that time it has gained 69%. And get this, we didn't buy it, so we have missed out on this, so Ardx is I think it correlates with the market a great deal, and this is what the market has done. The broader market has rallied since late October. Okay, this is late October. I would say this is late to mid October, and so that was the last time we covered it. It was at $3.92. Since that time it has just escaped upwards, and it's a validation that it's performed. The fact that this is also what the market has done since mid to late October is a validation that indeed it does correlate with the broader market. I think that's what it's saying here in both terms, in both short-term and long-term periods. Ardx has shown average correlation. Okay, average correlation with the S&P 500. Thus, this stock will provide only average levels of diversification to a portfolio similar to the broader market. Okay, over the last 90 days, Ardx shares have been more volatile than the overall market, as the stock's daily price fluctuations have exceeded that of 90% of the S&P 500 index firms. So it's just going to provide you an average diversification. So what it actually says is, and then given the fact that it's highly volatile as well, yeah, maybe if you're a bit on the edge and want to get things going, maybe you just have to have a look at Ardx, and probably already looking into it already. So going by all of this is the 1 minute chart for the stock right now. So we can see the indications of its bullish strength, or its indication, or rather the indication of the strength of its rally. They're also indicating reasonably high figures, 6 and 8. I think the last one is 8 at the moment. So, but it's not as if a 1 minute chart is really going to be of much benefit to you. Okay, but we have upper projections all the way towards 7.24 on this 1 minute chart. Below that we have 7.04. Below that we have 6.98. So it's quite relevant. 6.97. These are some of the prices that may or may not play out at some point. 6.92. And if we go to the hourly charts, let's see whether we can get things there. You can see this is the rally has just remained intact since the last couple of hours. You can see all the indications, 8 indicating strength. There's no negative figure here. No. Yes, at some point a few hours ago there were some negative figures, but everything up late in the last couple of hours, just 8. The strength is just phenomenal here. Okay, let's look at the 1 day chart and see what we are looking at. Okay, look at the same chart we looked at over there. Okay, strength is equally 8 as well. Okay, and then here we have it has escaped all of its upper projections. So I guess looking at that 1 minute chart was quite relevant. Okay, so here it has a downward projection of 4.95. Okay, so before we move on, we can let's remove this. Let us remove this indicator and add another indicator. This indicator will be the machine learning Lorentzian classification. Let's see what it's going to say. Okay, sorry, that's the one we had. We want to remove that and get the extrapolation of its price. That will be the Itakura Saito auto-regressive extrapolation of price. Let's get it. Okay, we have that applied. Okay, so on the daily chart, it's it's projecting caution. It's saying that caution is warranted. Price of 3.05 is what it's forecasting. And as of now, as things stand right now, as of yesterday okay, let's look at today. Today Wednesday, the 20th of December. Its extrapolation is 3.07. So all of these are based on what has happened in the past. It's forecasting 3.07, but market participants are not buying any of those. They have piled their money into the stock, and it has driven it to the highs of around $6.74 as we speak right now. So let's look at the weekly chart and see whether we have upper projections, any further upper projections. Let's see on the weekly chart. So on the weekly chart, we have, because the reverse is the case, the extrapolation is not cautious at all. It has thrown caution to the wind. We have this is the current price right now. It's not okay. The current price is let's see. Okay, yeah, that's the extrapolation. So the current price as we speak right now is yes, this is the current price. Then extrapolation is validating what the weekly prices are indicating. It's saying it's going to be bullish, it's going to remain strong. So we're looking at something close to around higher than what it is right now, for sure, around $7 or thereabout. So on the daily chart, caution is being projected, but on the weekly chart, strength is what is extrapolated. So we have 7.82 as the next upper projection on the weekly chart, and then above that we have 10.68, but there are indeed downward projections. We have 6.04, we have 5.50, and we have 4.96, we have 4.27, we have 3.18, and then we have this is its volume indication. Normally this is supposed to indicate whether you should buy or not, or rather take your money off or not. But when the price crosses this volume indication, it may be construed as a buy, and that crossover happened sometime in November. So the rally began in mid to late November or October, and it was confirmed by this volume indication by the 7th of November. So since that time, it hasn't looked back. So moving on, downward projection we have is 0.3256. This is on the weekly chart. So let's look at the monthly chart and see what we have, whether the reverse of the reverse extrapolation is in effect. Okay, so it's a modest one. Pretty much it's a moderating one as well, like pretty much like what we have on the daily chart. So yeah, let's see. There's something. It seems that there's a live news here. Okay, it's reports employment inducement grants, and yesterday, 2 days ago, it says patient demand drives Ardelyx constipation drug success amid a IBS-C treatment gap, says analyst. So yes, the stock has it seems it's fundamentally doing okay. It seems. Okay, so let's return to the monthly charts and 1 minute charts and see what's going on right now. It's currently trading at $6.74, and this is what's going on right now. In this pre-market is up 1.92%. Not a lot is going on. The market hasn't opened. Okay, 58,000 shares have crossed the tape so far. Yeah, so Ardx, what can we say? Prices all the way towards all the way towards in a very short time, $7.24, and this is obtained from its 1 minute chart. So but we can actually have a look at longer interval minute charts. So let's look at the 5 minute chart. We have 7.53 as well, similar projections, and we also, I think we looked at the 1 hour chart, and what did we see there again? 1 hour chart. We didn't look at it. No, I don't think we looked at it. The 1 hour chart. Yeah, we did. Yes, we did. Not. I think much of the forecasts can be found on the 1 minute, 1 minute, or the minute 1 minute chart on the weekly charts. For the projections. Strongly upward looking projections on its from its Fibonacci. Once again, let's review it on the weekly charts. We have, I think, something close to around. We even have, yes, we can actually see what the extrapolation was indicating, somewhere something above $7 or there. But on the weekly chart, we have 10.68. 10.68 is the highest it's projecting on this with its Fibonacci projection, and then below that we have 7.82 dollars. So see what you make of Ardx, and thank you very much for watching this video.